Ka Sorkar Jylla kelarai banrat dah kerai hapok ke yang dorbat kawan ke Jylla ban papat syak Sorkar Pdeng bahkan pelat no ya ka an jongka kena ban pelat no ya ka jingti marpok kendau ha ke Jylla habakran hadir melawai ke kenhun menteri ha ke janmi sing balang Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Dr. Mukul sama ulong bah kenhun menteri kelarai benira dah kerai hapok ke yang dorbat ke Jylla hadir bala besar nya kendon an jong Sorkar Pdeng dah ka tenat mining and geology ke Jylla Katkum Gujing Ong Menteri Rangba namar baka Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Act 2015 kelat rekam ladan kami kibenta badan haka ban penkela dak Sorkar u Dr. Mukul ulong bak Sorkar Jylla keladap sim ya karai ban tenro syak Sorkar Pdeng ban pelat ya paragraf 12AB kasik schedule keriti sensyar keri naki kendon jong Coal Mines Nationalization Act 1973 But the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957, but the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 2015.
You are aware that the state government has taken up with Government of India in 2014 itself to prevail upon Government of India to take recourse to invoking of para 12AB of the 6th schedule of the Constitution in as far as the application of the Coal Mines Nationalization Act 1973 is concerned, and also Coal Bearing Areas Acquisition and Development Act 1957 in respect of tribal areas of the state of Meghalaya. Subsequently, we have also taken up with the Government of India the need to actually resign also certain provisions of the Mines and Minerals Development Regulation Act 1957, and there has been a positive response from Government of India, and as a response to the request of the state government of India from the PMO has actually notified certain committees which has been notified with the cabinet secretary as the chairman, and also the chief secretary and other secretaries of other line ministries of Government of India as members.
Kakenhun menteri hak tiga jamnya kelarai duk banai license bat bu dukan dekiat hapo aspa mitar na jaka badan ke jaka mani belai ke skul bat ke hospital. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ulong bakani ke jing penggela omsya man bu dukan dekiat ni dekiat hapo ke jing jengai ke ba aspa mitar na ke jaka mani ke jaka puli bat ke hospital. Nalol kani larai duk banum sya ban bu dukan dekiat hapo ke jing jengai ke ba sispa mitar surok ba henry hakinong ba bayat ke surok ba lapin jen sur sya ke sanpu mitar. Borok kedukan dekiat ke beladon hakini ke jaka balamana labat ha makin kena hapo andrew banai lem kumta ke Sorkar kene ya ke badon kam.
As you are aware, while licenses are issued for IMFL liquor shops, both for off licenses and all licenses, there is a reasonable distance which is prescribed for any such liquor shops to be located from institutions and places of worship. And also another new proposal which the Department of Excise has come up is to also grant any such license which should ideally be situated with certain distance from the midpoint of both national highways and state highways.
Ka Sorkar kelapan kiu yak tulop jong kemele barem jong Jylla na ka 10,000 sya ka khatnyo haja tingka hak shibnai.